Hello Shravani.
Hello, ma'am.
So you are a student of 23-24 batch of NIDO. So we would like to know more about you, as in like what do you do currently?
So, after 10th, completing our 10th grade, I joined the coaching classes for preparing JEE, and it's in Nasik, and I'm currently in the coaching called Spectrum, and it's been amazing up until now. Like I found IGCSE very helpful because like we learned so many things here. Like we developed so many skills, not only in academics but also like for future that will be helpful for us. And like many of us like found easier right now in this competitive exams. Like we give mock tests and all every now and then, and up until now what we have learned in 9th 10th was totally different and it is for all the boards. It's not like this examination is completely different curriculum. Like you start freshly for 11th and 12th, so there's not much more like it's not related to 10th that much. But overall up until now what we have learned in 10th up till 10th, like we found our curriculum was based very on concepts, like minute concepts. So like it was really fun learning and we learned a lot, and I think we have developed the skill of approaching the questions in a different way and solving it. So yeah.
So what do you think, like how NIDO helped you in coping up with that particular
Yeah,
syllabus?
so JEE is like said to be like one of the toughest entrance exams now in India, and it's a very competitive field also ahead. And now also like in lakh students appear, and so like people have this assumptions about so many different boards. Like it's going to be helpful if we study in CBSE or like state board. At the end it does not like matter at all like from which board you belong. But like I found our board very helpful because like now everyone is together, like state, CBSE, IGCSE, even IB, don't know. But like the scores really are different. Like state board students are also scoring great, CBSE are also scoring great. Not everyone is scoring great. Like some of them have done like coaching, like foundation classes, but yeah, they are still struggling because like they have no like what matters at that point is approaching that question, and the concept should be clear. That's what we have learned here in IGCSE up until 10th, and it has helped us really lot coping up with our examination preparation right now.
That's wonderful. That actually clears somebody's mind who's actually thinking about different boards and while taking a decision. So thank you so much for this kind of input. And one last question: how was your experience with NIDO? Like you were here since so many years. So how was your experience with
Like
NIDO?
it was very amazing. We have had so much exposure to many things. Like yeah, teachers were amazing. They were very friendly. Like we had that transparency between us, and we had a really amazing time here.
Thank you so much for your time.